Okay, so someone tell me what's about to happen.
We're building a damn computer.
Phil, interview.
We're building a computer.
Awesome.
Out of those.
We got a shit ton of components here. Okay. Let's roll. This is part 2 of Operation Build Computer.
I was flashing Chua and then he missed it.
Oh, I missed it. Here, try it again.
People on the top of, we'll just go with girls at the top of Carpenter Tower flash stuff. Like, they flashed me last night too.
Dude.
They had like a giant, like, flashlight though.
Oh, they flashed with the light.
Yeah.
Apparently we live next to Emma.
Yeah,
So,
and Rob.
Hold up.
Yeah.
So hold up. You saw boobies?
No, flashlight.
Oh, I thought
It was like a giant ass flashlight.
I thought you were talking about like, oh.
Yeah, no, that was what I meant for you to believe. But I lied.
I guess that means I should join SSP then. Anyway.
Do it.
I think I'm actually cut out for office work more.
Where you putting screws so you don't lose them?
In the box. Okie dokie.
You know, all this shit's gonna go on YouTube. It's gonna be fun.
I think it would look prettier that way.
I
With
would.
the pink, you know?
What, with the pink? So true.
Wait. I know. Wait, don't tell me. Okay. No, that's the RAM. These are the PCIs. So it's gonna have to go this way because it's PCI.
Yeah. Good job.
Doesn't sound good.
Well, let me get a shot of that. Check that out. Check out the
Should we
mobile.
bother putting the processor before so that we don't have to like bend down into the like that and stick it on?
Well, it's kind of got you.
What's right? Well, you know, wouldn't it be easier?
Hello?
It'd be easier to put, you can put it all in there. It doesn't really matter. But you got to screw all these little screws in. So it'd be easier probably. Heat sink's pretty damn huge.
Well, no. Well, I mean, like heat sink maybe not, but like whatever you can put on, like maybe processor and RAM.
Yeah,
that's what I'm thinking.
Oh shit.
Like, right? Make sense?
Yeah.
I'm a thinker.
Engineer, baby. Engineer.
/ thinker. I didn't start then, but I didn't.
Oh God, 42 fucking thousand pins.
Yeah, one for. Yep.
Which one is it facing?
No, I think how the thing goes in.
Wait, stop. You can. Can I? Are you sure this is how it goes in?
No.
Just look.
I was trying to line shit up, but it totally didn't work. There you go.
You kind of had it upside down.
Oh. Yeah.
Oh, it just
Yep.
flops
Drop
like that.
Now push the little bar down.
Oh, gee, that's kind of easy. I thought you had to like. Oh God.
That's a little plastic pin.
Where?
No, that's what it's supposed to be.
Yeah, no. Where?
It goes
Till
down.
it. Okay. That's what I wasn't sure how the mechanism was. There.
Yeah, I did that. I did the first.
So you can just swap them out like nothing.
Yeah.
That's awesome. Okay.
Yeah.
RAM? What? Can I go with RAM? You don't want me to go with RAM, do you?
I'd leave RAM.
Yeah, it's on one page.
So we can do this?
Yeah.
So 1, 2, 3, 5, 6.
I had one per page.
I have to decide if it's going to be risers or not.
Yeah.
What's right?
I have to decide if it's going to be risers or not. Like, if
Well,
I put risers in.
Isn't it already written?
No, but like depending on the motherboard, like the lineup of the PCI slots.
Oh, good point.
All right.
Can we maybe just light in? We'll see from there.
Slide in, see.
Yeah.
Yeah, they look like they'll be fine.
Yeah.
Well, I'm not by my computer, so.
Oh God! Wait 1 second. Out because we can just like smash through it then.
I don't know what it is.
Can I just?
You bought a bare bones kit.
Pop it out?
Yeah.
What? Do they already know that they're going to damage this one, so they give you a replacement one?
No, because see look at the pin lineup and everything else.
Oh yeah.
See, look at this one.
All right. Yep.
See, look how it
so maybe
lines up.
This one you might technically have to use.
Note how this one lights up.
Lines up. I think you mean.
Yeah, lines up.
That one's
DVD.
broken already, though, Mike.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. This one's kind of. Wait, you want to take that off? If you do. This was
Okay, never mind.
coming on the port.
Yeah. No, see, this is the one that actually lines up with this one.
Well, yeah, but.
I have to see what the hell lines up.
Potentially, you should be able to use this one, is what I'm saying.
Yeah.
But it's fucked up.
Yeah.
You took that one off, and this one's over here too.
I don't know there too.
The Godfather. Go to the Godfather.
Ricky Mahalo, my best friend's last one.
who doesn't know how to spell, because he spelled Blair with a D.
He's black. He can do that.
Wait, say that one more time. At the camera.
He's black. He can do that.
He's a racist.
I can do that.
You're not black. You're white.
Fuck that shit.
You're whiter than the Wisconsin snow.
Technical detail.
Yeah, that should be good.
You got more cracker in you than a box of Ritz.
Now.
You got more rice in you than Asian food.
That sucks.
Wow, that sucks.
Wait, don't they call those like chicken wheels like ricers?
Yeah.
Yeah, you got more rice in you than a rice.
Rice rockets.
Rice rocket, whatever.
So not only is this a video about how to assemble computers, it's also
How to make fun of Chua?
how to be racist.
How to be racist.
Because that's how we roll here in
Well, if we
Marquette.
want to be racist, we'd have to go to the South. They could probably teach us pretty well.
They're pretty damn good down there, okay? Come from a man who lives in Kansas. They're pretty damn good at that.
Kansas isn't really the South. That's lower Midwest.
Kansas is the fake South.
We are the fake South, but we're happy about it, damn it.
It's lower Midwest.
Yeah.
Even breadbasket, if you would.
It'll snap in. There you go. Now it's all snapped in, David. Now you get a screw.
Screw you!
There is a
Mitch.
hole there. I see.
Yeah.
No,
Well, that one lines up then with all.
Yeah. Well,
There's a
see,
hole
that one doesn't. See, there's a hole here. The ones with the little
okay.
weird ass little dotty things around them are
I didn't
holes.
see those
Yeah.
before.
Those are processing holes. Like whenever they make it, so they can hang on to it. Whenever they're pouring all that silicone and sketching,
Your processing hole.
so that everything lines up.
Well, that's just the fancy one. Didn't
No,
you even
no.
look which one? Oh, these were the spacers you were
Yeah,
talking about.
spacers. Yeah, I was talking about.
Sure, not spacing it?
Yeah. See, note there's two sizes: really small and big. We use the bigger of the two.
Looks almost like the bigger of the three, but no, actually.
Yeah, put that in, because this kind of hurts my hand.
You're not doing a very good job at it, are you now?
Me?
Okay.
Really cool.
Okay.
I'll try a small one.
No, it's not that. I just can't.
The second line stuff up.
I just want to.
No, it's lined up.
Okay.
I might go down a little bit actually.
No, because I have it in all
Yeah,
four holes.
it's lined up. Yeah.
I am an
Fine,
engineer.
so I am retarded. You got a problem with that?
Yes.
Tuesday.
No. I don't.
We're not anti-retarded people here, okay? It's okay with that. It's all good.
We're anti-stupid people.
Yeah. Yeah.
Try screwing with your fingers first.
He tried. He fucked that up.
Oh. There's a whole nother fucking hole right there.
Oh yeah, there's holes
Yeah,
all over.
there's 6 holes.
Yeah.
If you could still apply pressure to that side, just because it's
Put it up in this corner first.
Yeah, we tried that.
Put it up in that corner first.
I know what you're saying, but yeah, I agree
Yeah.
with Phil that we just tried that thing part. Can you?
Put the one in behind the ram first.
So, 6 holes, so it's like 2 girls.
I don't know. Depends what you're planning your hole.
What the hell, Chua? That doesn't fucking work.
It could be
unless you
3
can-
girls.
Can you like shove it around, like wiggle a little, cause it's totally not. Okay, there it is.
Yes.
Don't yank down on it. Just,
That was digging into my wrist.
what was that?
That would be that.
Not this. This is not.
I think you were digging into that technically.
Cause it was here first.
Technically, I think that thing's a horse. Use the bigger one of the two?
Yeah.
Yeah.
The smaller ones are for like little detailed little PCI shit, like these little things right here.
Oh crap.
These little things come out of there.
Yeah, they bend that way. They snap out.
This is boring. I'm gonna start filming again when, like, things get interesting.